Hello there, welcome back to the FinBus channel. This channel is all about the stock markets and building your wealth. This is Shamil Sajjad. I am a certified capital markets dealer and a mutual funds advisor from the National Institute of Securities Markets. I continuously bring you videos related to the stock markets, personal finance and building your wealth. So please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Please share the content of this channel with your community through your social media handles, and also please post your valuable opinions in the comment section below. Let us move on to the end of the day analysis for today. So we had a very mixed and volatile market today. Nifty had a gap up opening at 11,353 and the index was holding up till the European markets opened at 130, and news of escalating corona cases and financial uncertainty played spoilsport in the market, and then we had a very sharp decline, but the market recovered a bit towards the end, roughly around 12:30, giving some signs of positivity for the next trading week. So the stock that we'll be looking at on Monday will be Nbcc India, the infrastructure company. Company details of Nbcc: BSE code is 534309, NSE code is Nbcc. Nbcc is a public sector undertaking with the government of India having almost 62% of the holdings of the company. Nbcc belongs to the infrastructure segment and has got varied operations in infrastructure. Current market price of the company is 26.8. Market capitalization is 4,800 crore and is a mid-cap company. PE ratio of the company is 60.58, whereas the industry PE is only 28.01. It's a massively overvalued company and for that very reason is not suitable for long-term holdings. Price to book of the company is 2.83 and the industry PB is 2.74. The company is headquartered in New Delhi. Important developments with regard to this company: the company has bagged an order to construct the police headquarters and Attorney General's office in the island of Seychelles, and the order is worth 204 crores and the company won the order on July 27th, 2020. The company is trying to acquire the debt-ridden real estate developer JP Infratech, and the national company law appellate tribunal gave the permission for the takeover on April 22, 2020. And recently on August 7th, the company has updated the exchanges regarding the progress on the takeover. If we see the simple moving average of the stock is currently trading above all the simple moving averages barring the 200-day simple moving average, and this is a good indicator of the building bullishness in the stock. When we look at the accumulation to distribution data, we can see that there is a small spike in the accumulation to distribution, and that is an indicator of a possible upward momentum in the stock in the coming trading sessions. And after a long period of distribution winning over accumulation, the stock is seeing some buying which is winning over selling, and we can expect this pattern to continue in the forthcoming trading sessions. Looking at the directional indices, we can see that the positive directional index is steeply rising and the negative directional index is steeply declining, and the average directional index is starting to move up. The positive directional index is more than 2 times strong the negative directional index, which again indicates building bullishness in the script. The money flow index for the script shows clearly an increased vitality in the trading activities. There is a steep rise in the money flow index. So with the demand winning over supply, we can take this as again a signal of building bullishness in the stock. Taking you through more technical indicators, as it is always advisable to look at multiple indicators to confirm a trend, we can see that after a period of negative momentum, the stock is starting to build a positive momentum, which can be seen in the small spike in the last couple of days. Increased volume build-up in the last two trading sessions, and we need more such constructions in the coming trading sessions so that the price can move up to higher levels. Backing of volume to price is very important for trend continuity. The relative strength index is at 66. It has not entered the overbought territory, so we can expect more buying in the stock, but a 65 RSI is a strong indicator of continued buying in the stock, which we expect to continue in the coming trading sessions also. The buy conditions to be met before having an entry into this stock is that Nifty has to be up or flat. Nifty Midcap 100, the company is a part of that index, has to be up or flat, and the specific sectoral index, that is Nifty Infrastructure Index, has to be up. The price should range up to 26.9 before taking an entry in order to ensure that the momentum and upward trend is continuing in this particular script. The first 15 to 20 minutes has to be watched. The average 5-day volume for this particular script is 1.2 crore shares. So pro rata, we have to see that at least 9 lakh shares have to be traded in the first 25 minutes, and we have to see that the company is clocking the same levels of volume before taking an entry into this company. Targets for the stock: target 1 and intraday target would be 27.25, target 2 would be at 27.5, and target 3 for the short term. If anybody is carrying the stock for a week or so, target 3 should be 28.5 and target 4 should be 29.75. The company can experience good resistance at 30 levels, so it is better to exit the stock at 29.75. And as always, trailing your profits is always advisable, and proper care should be taken in that front. In face of the volatility and uncertainty in the market, stop loss has to be strictly maintained, and the right stop loss for this stock would be at 26.5. I would like to hear from you your views on the market for the forthcoming week, whether the market will be range bound, bullish or bearish. Also post your trade ideas in the comment section below. I hope this video will be useful to you in the coming trading sessions, and also as you leave, please give a thumbs up to this video if you have found it useful, and also please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. I will see you very soon, and you take care.